The third body is a central bank of Kenya. The Central Bank of Kenya regulates mergers and acquisitions in the banking and the financial services sector. Banking, and financial services sector. Mergers and acquisitions that occur in the banking and financial services sector are regulated by the Central Bank of Kenya. And the Banking Act also requires that financial institutions should obtain the central bank approval for mergers and acquisitions. So we have again here the Banking Act as another piece of legislation that guide mergers and acquisitions in the banking and financial services sector. So the companies that operate in the banking and financial services sector that would wish to merge or to engage in acquisition activities, they must seek approval from the Central Bank of Kenya. The Central Bank of Kenya.